Hello friends, today I am making yummy and delicious Szechuan Aloo Tikki. Firstly, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Things we need for that: take 3 peeled boiled potato and then smash it. Now add coriander or mint leaves in that. Put 1 tablespoon chili flakes or chili powder with oregano in the mixture. Now it's turn of 2 teaspoon black salt and normal salt. 2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika masala, this is optional. Now main ingredient, Szechuan chutney. Mix it well. Now I will add rice flour. I will suggest you to put small amount at a time. Now mix it till it becomes like a dough. Now let's make the tikki and fry it. Put the oil into a pan and start frying it. Flip it when it's golden brown. If it's done, remove it on a grill or on a tissue paper. Now make the remaining batch and your crunchy aloo tikki will look like this. You can enjoy it with any kind of chutney. Thank you for watching my video and stay connected.